So welcome to my channel and welcome to Makati, Philippines. And one of my favorite things here is on Sunday morning they actually close the road here on Ayala Avenue and what's this, Paso de Rojas. And I'm right here at this, behind me is the Nino Aquino statue. So see right there. And I'm going to do a little walk because I love to walk and it's good exercise, and the vibe here is so neat. And let's take a walk down the road and you can see the beautiful, you know, architecture of these buildings. Just kind of do a sweep around where I'm starting at. I mean, look at them. You can see all the folks walking. So kind of head down Ayala a little bit, kind of mix it up, but get those steps in. You know, I'm a, what do you call a 20,000 step day guy, so I love to run, walk, and that's one thing about vlogging is it allows me to really get out and get my step count in. And they got the you know, the roads very controlled here. I think, you know, this lane to the left of me is made for bikes, and you can see a little bit of Makati on the way. People bring their dogs out. Yesterday was my first day here, so I was pretty excited about, you know, walking around and just kind of getting my bearings back, but looking forward to doing some further exploring. I mean, when you look at the buildings here, it looks like you're almost in a place like, let's say, New York City. I call them skyscrapers. And it's the holiday season, so a lot of these buildings, they're all decked out with all the Christmas decoration, and even, you know, right in the middle of the road. I mean, like right here. I know it's all very well lit up at night. So I actually have done this before, as I said earlier, and you know, it's nice, you know, to close the roads off. You know, people can get out and about without having to worry about traffic. Kind of clears the mind, you know. And let's say Makati's a like a banking district, so there's banks everywhere, and an ATM on every street corner almost. You know, and one thing I like about the streets here is they're so well marked. There's no doubt on where you're going. Look at that. See, look at these signs. They're so nice. Gotta watch those bikes. Still doing a lot of work on some buildings. Let's go back into the sun a little bit. Actually came from this way. So I was here about 7 months ago, and I was only in Manila for maybe 3 days, so I didn't have a lot of time, but I'm here a lot longer now, so I got a lot more time to explore. So I'm really looking forward to getting out and seeing some other areas that I have not seen yet. And anybody that subscribes to me, I really appreciate it. So look at this BPI building. see what they did right up here. If I can get a little bit better video of this one. So coming up to the turnaround point, I'll go back the other way. Check this turnaround point right here, and you can see all the buildings. This is really neat. There's the sign. 6 to 10 every Sunday, but let's start here. It's at Makati Medical. See that building? This is a museum over here. Look at the architecture on that one. Just gonna head back down, go the other way, the end of the sun. You got the bike lane, you got the walk and run lane. Such a joyful time. You can see the names of some of these buildings. This one's called the Arrivo Financial Tower. Now you'll see the buildings coming back on the other side. Get to see them into the sun. You gotta watch yourself going across the road. That's where I'm going. Okay. This is at the Ayala Triangle. They got like an exercise group going on. You can do even a water stop here if you like. Here, check this out.
Century Tuna, we have Wind Racing. Grabe, Pinay Tribe is here. We got Miss Carmina registering already. Galing, galing, galing. So register. Every kilometer you run, you feed a child. Yes.
We have this little exercise group going on right here at the triangle. Kind of see the vibe right now. actually passed through here yesterday during my walk. I think every one of these buildings is a bank. So inside Ayala Garden, and you get an idea what it looks like here. Although I passed through here yesterday, but check it out. Really nice to come here and just kind of hang out. And certainly a good vibe here on a Sunday. Coming up to my favorite fountain. Look at these trees. The tree root system here is unbelievable. Your early morning fix of coffee right here. Definitely packed. So not only you can walk, you can enjoy yourself right here behind me. The place is called the Proper Coffee Roasters. I made my way to Makati Avenue and Ayala Avenue, and I ran into this statue right behind me. This is and she's the first Filipino to lead a revolt against Spain. You can read the whole thing right here. A long time ago. Check this intersection out. We'll go up Ayala a little bit, right here on Makati Avenue. So head up there just a little bit, turn around, and then go back down this way. But look at that, the Peninsula Manila. Look at that falls over there. Get another beautiful shot of this intersection. So how cool is this? Walking here as you get to really familiarize yourself with the city, because where things are at. Kind of gives you a better perspective when you get to walk the streets without having to think about all the traffic, and really makes it for an enjoyable walk. So here at Courtyard Drive, and this is the turnaround point to go back the other way, so I've covered some distance today. A brief stop at Ayala Garden, but I'm gonna make my way back to Makati Avenue and then make a right. So interesting morning. Gotta see what's going on here. Gotta like that building over here where I just passed. It says, "Believe in the magic of Christmas." What a spirit. Absolutely love that. Yeah, I'll make my way down Makati Avenue on this one. Kind of hit many of the streets. Passing this beautiful fountain once again. Kind of nice. You got this nice little canopy of trees to kind of walk down. Get it. I'm gonna go around the other way, see what I'm talking about. Just great landscape. Okay, so I'm here at Makati and Rojas, and I mean, yesterday when I passed through here, you couldn't even. This is so much traffic, but now look, I'm standing in it right now. On Paso de Rojas, and it's right outside the Ayala Garden. Sunday morning. A little more action. A lot of bicyclists. Electric bikes, looks like. All types. It's like bikes, they come in all types of shapes now. Look at that old VW over here. Like a coffee house, maybe. Yep, it is. How neat is this? An old 60s. Make it into a brewski. So after all that walking, got to stop for breakfast here in the Citadines, and I'm here at the Manifesto, and it's a set breakfast, so I got the beef tapa, but check out the setting. That's what it looks like. Very small inside, kind of neat, but looking forward to it. Breakfast has arrived, and check it out. This is a typical Filipino breakfast. Beef tapa, scrambled egg, fried rice, eggplant, sauerkraut. All that walking, it's time to chow down. And if this content helps you out, please consider hitting the like button. It really does help out my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video here